tutorial video how to make cheese potato stick. Before I make it, I will show you the materials needed. 1 piece of potato, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, grated cheese, fork, and bowl. Let's start making. First, clean, cut, boil the potato. Second step is wait a minute until the potatoes are cooked. Then mash the potato with fork. Next, add the cornstarch and grated cheese into a bowl and mix them. Mix until well blended. And then put in a plastic. Then flatten and cut into long lengths. Cut into long lengths like this, okay? Last step is fry into the hot oil. Ooh. OMG. Serve it, and finally the cheese potato stick is all ready to eat. The taste is good. I like it. So yummy. So the tutorial is over and I will end the video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.